Address Resolution Protocol, ARP. How does it actually go about? What will happen? First, just understand everything what is being showed here, then I will explain. There is a system A. Now he wants, I need the MAC address of this IP, some other IP. So it will send a request. I am asking, this system A will say, I am asking the person or the system 161.13.16.43. This is your IP. I want your MAC address. I want to send you some packets. Alright. So if I am a sender, there is a receiver. So if there is a switch, there will be a communication. Because the packet ARP will go to switch will forward it. If there is a router, that is the possibility there are two different networks. So router wise router it will go. One source and one destination. Source is not directly asking the destination. It has to send the packet ARP to router. Router will again send another packet to another router till the destination is reached. So before ARP can start, address resolution protocol can start, you need to know ARP-A. If you just put it on the command prompt, you will see the listing that is called the cache. So if you already sent a ARP packet and you have already mapped the internet address or the IP address with the physical address, which is the MAC address. Okay. IP address 32-bit address, logical address. MAC is the 48-bit, the physical address. So dynamically it has come, that is through ARP. Static is actually you have actually entered, sitting, manually entered. So this dynamic, it is already there, static already you have filled up. So what is the point in sending ARP when the mapping is already there? So first the cache will be checked. Oh, I want to communicate with this IP. Do I have the MAC address? Oh, I have it. No ARP will be sent. But if the cache is not having that IP to MAC mapping, it will send an ARP request that this is the IP, I want the MAC address. Okay, this is called the ARP discovery packet. But it is broadcast because we don't know. We have to send it to everyone. So everyone will get either inside the network or outside the network. Everyone will get this ARP discovery packet. But when the system which actually has this 161.13.16.43, it has to revert back. It will know, oh, this is my IP. So it will send an ARP reply. So the logical address, which is the IP address, the MAC address, which is the physical address embedded inside the NIC, it will be sent in the ARP reply to the asking system, asking computer. So NIC card has a MAC address, IP address along with the MAC address, that is the medium access control layer. This address has to be combined. Only then this can be communicated.